The Dulux Precision Coatings Remover range removes multiple layers of architectural and industrial coatings from both interior and exterior surfaces. It can be used on most types of coatings, including acrylics, render, chlorinated rubber, aged alkyds, oil-based, and lead-containing coatings. It's important to remove all flaky, compromised coatings before repainting. Poor surface preparation is a key factor in paint failures. If a new coating is applied on top of a cracked or flaky coating, it can lose its adhesive qualities. Coatings with 0.1% or excess of lead are required to undergo lead abatement prior to repainting. It's essential to remove these coatings safely, as even a small amount of dust or paint flakes containing lead can be a serious health hazard. There are several different ways to remove coatings: chemical stripping, mechanical or grinding, or heat blasting. Some chemical strippers can use harsh chemicals such as methylene chloride or NMP. These chemicals are already banned in Europe as they are harmful and can cause serious illness if people are exposed to them. Mechanical removal and heat blasting can create toxic airborne dust particles and contaminate the area. Remove coatings safely with the Dulux Precision Coatings Remover range. It allows a dust-free coating removal system and full containment of lead particles. This means it's a safer coating removal method with no airborne particles generated. There are other environmental benefits too. It removes multiple layers of coating in one application, allowing safe, controlled disposal. And because it prevents dangerous airborne particles going into the atmosphere, it reduces health risks to both the public and industry workers. Plus, the whole range is safe to use on intricate and moulded surfaces, which is great for restoration or heritage-listed projects. And none of the products contain harsh chemicals such as methylene chloride or NMP, which can cause serious illness. There are 3 products in the range: Dulux Precision Coatings Remover, Dulux Precision Premium Coatings Remover, and Dulux Precision Restoration Coatings Remover. In short, green, blue, and red. They're coloured to improve application accuracy, so you can see where you've applied the product. The colour also helps determine the correct film build because you're able to see if it's been consistently applied. Plus, when the product is inactive, it will lighten in colour, so you know when to remove it. Dulux Precision Coatings Remover removes oil and water-based coatings, acrylics, render coatings, and anti-fouling coatings. It swells the paint film and debonds it from the surface. This is called plasticizing. Dulux Precision Premium Coatings Remover is a high-performance product for professional use only. It removes epoxy, polyurethane, and chlorinated rubber coatings. It works by a process called esterification. This means the acid in the product attacks the binder in the coating and breaks it down so it's easy to remove. Dulux Precision Restoration Coatings Remover is a professional-grade product ideal for restoration projects. It removes oil-based and lead-containing paints, alkyds, and varnishes. It reacts with acid groups in these coatings, then turns them into a soap-like consistency so they're easy to remove. This is called saponification. To help you choose the right product for the right job, use the test patch kit before you start your project. Every coatings removal project is different, so this is the most reliable way of working out which product is most effective for your situation. In most cases, you will not know what the paint type is you will need to remove. The test patch process will help you identify the best remover for the application. The first step is to test the coating you're removing for lead. Use an instant lead test kit available at wholesaler and hardware stores and follow the steps given on screen. We've tested this coating and know it's lead-free. Next, put on the rubber gloves provided in the box. These products are water-based, but they still contain high volumes of active chemicals, so it's important to wear appropriate PPE. Once your gloves are on, apply each product in a 20 by 20 centimetre test area. Each colour should have 3 test boxes. Each of these boxes will have different dwell times: 24, 48 and 72 hours. This will help you determine how long the product needs to dwell on the surface in order to work effectively. Apply different thicknesses in each box. For the green and blue products, the first box should be about 1.8 millimeters thick. That's a bit less than the thickness of a 10-cent coin. The second box should be a bit thicker, and the last box should be 2.2 millimeters thick, around the thickness of a 50-cent coin. The red box needs to be a bit thicker. Smooth over the test areas with the Dulux Precision paper with the print side facing outwards. Tape down all 4 edges to prevent the patches from inclement weather or from transferring product to the applicator or other surfaces. On each of the test patches, note the dwell time to help in the removal process. After 24 hours, check the result of the first test patch of each colour. Use the scraper in the kit to gently scrape under the paper. Start in the corner, then carefully lift the scraper, paper, remover, and paint in one continuous motion. Immediately scrub the surface and remaining residue with water and the scouring pads provided. If this result is satisfactory, it means you require this thickness and 24-hour dwell time. If the coating isn't completely removed, wait to check the 48 and 72-hour results using the same method. On our test, minimal coating was removed at the 24 and 48-hour dwell times. From this, we worked out the product required was the Green Precision Coatings Remover, with a dwell time of 72 hours and 2.2 millimeters thickness. At the end of your project, when the coating is removed, collect the coating remover paste and paint residue safely and dispose of it in compliance with local council regulations. If you're using Dulux Precision Restoration Coatings Remover, the red product, an additional step is needed before painting. This is also the final step of the test patch kit process and is called neutralization. Dulux Precision Neutralizer is included in the test kit and should be used on any test patches of Red Precision Coatings Remover, even if it's not the product you'll be using for your job. To begin, rinse the surface thoroughly with water and scrub it to remove any residue. Then allow the surface to dry overnight. When the surface is dry, dissolve the neutralizer in warm water at a ratio of 1 part neutralizer, 5 parts water. Stir it for 10 to 15 seconds until it's completely dissolved, then apply the solution with a plastic garden sprayer, working from the bottom up. Soak the surface completely. While it's still wet, agitate it with a nylon brush or scouring pad. After 15 to 30 minutes, rinse with clear water. Check the pH level of the surface in several places with the indicator paper in the kit, until there's a reading of 5 to 8. If the pH level is too high, repeat the process, and if necessary, let the neutralizer soak overnight. Now you have validated which product is best for your coating removal and substrate, you're ready to start your project. For dust-free coating removal, use the Dulux Precision Coatings Remover range. For more details, visit dulux.com.au.